Here's our 2007 Cadillac Escalade. It has a salvage title. Here it's running right now. Front bumper cover was replaced and brand new paint. And you can see real close, there's no flaws in the paint anywhere. Hood shuts nice. There's one little ding right there in the hood. One little dimple right there. That's all I see in the hood. You can see the lines look good. Everything's fine. This fender here was replaced. Nothing was done with there was no frame damage on the suspension, wheels, or anything like that. Just the fender. And then you can see there's some scratches here on the front of the door. Ever so faintly. They've been touched up a little bit, but my understanding, this vehicle went off the road and into some trees. Only the fender was replaced, nothing was replaced on the doors. Although you can see the top of this door has a little bit of a dent up there from the trees rubbing up against it. Looks like there might be a little bit of a dent there. The tires itself, you can see they have lots of life left. I would say they're probably 70-80% life left. And back here you can see some of the paint is kind of chipping off. That's the worst marks on the vehicle, is this paint right there. It does have second row buckets, obviously third row seating and rear DVD. It does have the rear power hatch. And then on this side here you can see this running board is still damaged. It's usable, but it is damaged. We didn't replace that yet. This whole side of it, you know, there's no chipping here like on the other side. I don't see any rub marks whatsoever on this side of the vehicle. Again, there was no frame damage, no suspension damage. Fender, headlight, front bumper cover was replaced, and then on the inside the seat belts were replaced. The driver's wheel and dash airbags did not deploy. The curtain airbags did deploy, but they all have since been replaced. You can see it does have navigation, dual climate control, heated steering wheel. There's no lights on in the dash right now. 108,785 miles. It's got about 1,000 to 1,500 miles on it since we've done the repairs. There is a moonroof in the back. There's nothing notable in the interior. You know, it's just average wear and tear for a 100,000 mile vehicle. There's no major stains or tears or anything like that. See, in the center console flips up. We do not have an owner's manual and only one set of keys. We'll go for a real quick drive. It does have backup camera. Still no lights on in the dash. Does have adjustable pedals. You can see now we're doing about 40-45 miles an hour. I'll let go of the steering wheel. You can see I'm not touching it. We're still going straight. No shimmy shakes in the vehicle. Overall, it's a nice ride. It's quiet, no squeaks or rattles. Turn around. Again, and I'll hit the brakes. Brakes are fine. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Thank you.